Hey there guys, so I'm going to show you how you can do Google drawings in a Google document. So what I've done here is I've found a job listing on Indeed Jobs, and I basically copied and pasted it onto an inserted Google drawing in Google Docs. So from here you can see that you can click on the highlighter. Okay, so now I have a highlighter, and as you can see, this job pays up to $20 an hour. It is a full-time, part-time, and a contractual job, taking commission. They're looking for 3 positions to be filled. Qualifications for this job: certification in athletic training and a bachelor's in kinesiology. As you can see here, this is the job description. Granite Site Physical Therapy has multiple full-time head athletic training positions. Tells you how many hours a week, the starting rate, and additional benefits provided by this company. And here, health benefits. They'd like for you to be specialized in sports medicine. Work mostly Monday through Friday, which I like. I like having weekends off, but if I need to work, I'll work. Bachelor's in kinesiology. For multiple locations, I imagine either to the client's house, or maybe to a field, a complex of sorts, a park. And yeah, so like I said, this is a Google drawing insert in a Google document. So once I click save and close, also in Google drawing you could underline things. Like I could underline this $20 an hour. And then I could even do shapes. The triangle, if you want to circle something. So make sure you've got it on. Circle. You circle stuff. And then, like I said, this is a insert in Google Docs, so all I have to do is hit save and close. Then in my Google Docs, you can see that I've inserted the Google drawing. Alright guys, that's it.